shadows I rise, and now I glow. This is my game, I run the show. No limits, no fear, I take control. Every round getting closer to gold. They try to stop me, I just evolve. I don't lose, I reload. Strategy coded, nothing random, we own it. Climbing ranks, now they know my name. From underground straight into fame. Pressure high, but I stay composed. Every move precise, never exposed. From zero stats to MVP, now the whole world watching me. Can't slow down, I'm too far gone. Every night till the early dawn. Win or lose, I play again. That's the mindset of a champion. No limits, no chains, feel the fire. Every win takes me higher. No fear left, I broke the code. This is my path, no limits now. No limits, no fear, I take control.